How does a third-party longshore claim work? My name is Tim Young. I'm a maritime attorney in New Orleans. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how a longshore claim works when you file suit against a third party that may have caused or contributed to your injury. What you need to understand in the Longshore Act is that if a third party, somebody that's not your employer, did anything wrong that caused or contributed to your injury, you can actually file a tort lawsuit against them under maritime law in federal or state court. The advantage to doing this relates to the amount of damages that you can collect. Under the Longshore Act, you're only entitled to collect compensation benefits, which are generally 2/3 of your salary, and medical benefits. Under the Longshore Act, you cannot collect from your employer pain and suffering damages, and generally you're only going to collect a small portion of your actual loss of wages. When you file a third-party suit, you can seek full damages that were caused to you because of that third party's fault. And let me give you some situations that we've commonly filed third party cases over. A lot of times the platform that you work on may not be safe. The platform owner may not have taken steps to make sure that the platform, the decking is safe. We've had cases where water has accumulated in areas because the platform's been in poor condition and our clients have been injured in those situations. Sometimes equipment on the platform itself may not work right. Generators may be leaking oil. A lot of times that's the platform owner's responsibility. When you go into court and file a case like that against the platform owner in that situation, you're seeking all of your damages. You're seeking pain and suffering. You're seeking full loss of wages. You're seeking past and future medical expenses. The amount that you're entitled to collect is the entire amount of your damages. You do have to prove that that third party was at fault, but if it's a situation where they're 100% at fault, you're going to be collecting all of your damages. On the longshore side against your employer, you're only seeking and you're only allowed to collect a very small portion of your damages. Again, compensation and medical. Call us if you have any questions at all about a third party suit under the Longshore Act and how sometimes that's really the only way you can collect what you're entitled to collect.